This G.SKILL Ripjaws DDR5 96GB kit delivers a huge capacity boost for modern notebooks, making heavy multitasking and content creation feel far less constrained. Its dual 48GB modules run at a high data rate of 5,600 megatransfers per second, which noticeably cuts load times and improves overall responsiveness in compatible systems. Despite the strong performance, the memory operates at a relatively modest 1.10 volt setting, which helps keep heat and power draw under control in thinner laptops. The small outline dual inline memory module form factor and 262-pin layout ensure straightforward installation in most recent notebooks that support double data rate 5 memory. Out of the box, the kit defaults to a standard profile for reliable first boot, and enthusiasts can then tune settings within the limits of their motherboard support for extra performance headroom. Build quality and validation tools from G.SKILL inspire confidence that, when paired with supported hardware and used within specifications, this kit can run fast and stable for demanding mobile workloads.